Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English UK. We're really happy to have you here with us today. Alex, let me tell you something funny. I went to the supermarket earlier today, just to buy a few simple things. But somehow, it turned into a full English lesson.
Oh really? That sounds interesting already. Hello everyone, we're really pleased to have you here learning English with us. And honestly, this is one of the best ways to learn English, through real-life situations.
Exactly. Today's topic is shopping at the supermarket in English.
Brilliant! Because this is something everyone does. And you can practice English every day.
And dear listeners, today you're not just listening. You are part of this conversation. So imagine this. You walk into a supermarket. What do you see?
Oh yes! Look around. Do you see food? Do you see drinks? Say it in English.
You can say, I see apples. I see bread. I see milk.
Perfect! Simple English is powerful English.
Yes! Now let's go a bit further.
What if you want to buy something?
Good question. You can say, I want to buy apples. I want to buy bread.
Or even more natural. I'll take some apples. I'll take some milk.
Yes, that sounds very natural.
This reminds me of something that happened to me last week.
Oh no, I know this is going to be funny. Tell us.
All right. I went to the supermarket and I wanted to buy milk. Simple, right?
Yes, very simple.
But I forgot the word milk.
Oh no!
So I tried to explain. I said, I want the white drink from the cow.
That's actually very creative.
Yes, and the person understood me.
That's amazing.
So remember, even if you don't know the word, you can still communicate.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection. All right, everyone. Let's practice together.
Imagine you are in the supermarket. You take something. What do you say?
You can say, I'll take this.
Or, I want this.
I'll take this. I want this. Say it with us.
Now tell us, what do you buy?
You can say, I buy bread. I buy eggs. I buy juice.
Brilliant!
All right, Alex. Let's do a real conversation.
Yes, let's do it.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Of course. The milk is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Listen again. Where can I find the milk?
You can also say, where can I find the bread?
Perfect.
Now let's continue.
How much is this?
It's £2.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great choice.
All right, everyone. Your turn now.
What do you buy from the supermarket? Say it in English.
I buy apples. I buy milk.
Perfect.
Now imagine this. You're at the cashier.
Yes, this is important.
You can say, that's all, thank you.
Or, can I pay by card?
Very useful.
Remember, English is not about perfection.
It's about communication.
All right, one last question. What do you buy every week?
Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to hear from you.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English UK channel.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy your English journey.
Take care, everyone, and see you next time.